Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mayebeline here and welcome back. Today we have this makeup look and it's just kind of like a shimmer, kind of a little bit of a smoky eye with a glossy lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up as always, and let's jump right into the video. Today we're going to do a makeup look. I'm thinking maybe like a brown smoky eye. I filmed a life update video, I will link that below. It's just telling you like what I've been doing for the last few months, why I haven't been uploading, kind of life update kind of thing. But anyway, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is like a lot shorter. It doesn't look short on this camera, but honestly I got so much taken off. So let's get started. First I'm going to start with eyes. So we're going to just prime our eyes. I'm just using this concealer here, which is the Lasting Perfection concealer. It's the lightest one. I think it's in Extra Fair Zero. This is actually a new colour. I used to get this all the time, but they didn't do this shade, so I felt like the shade below this was like, it wasn't light enough. But yeah, I really like it. It's really affordable, so yeah. I just get this from Superdrug. I think Boots does it as well, but yeah, really good concealer. If you're on a budget, you gotta save that dollar. I'm going to just blend this in, and I'm just using a brush, and then this will just give us a lot of coverage. See, look at that, high coverage. I just used a foundation brush just to buff it in. This is just from a cheap eBay set, but it does the job. So now that our eyes are all prepped, we're going to start with the eyeshadow. So today I think I'm going to just do quite a simple brown smoky eye, but we'll see, because sometimes I'm like, oh, I'll do a little bit of brown in the crease, and then I'm going to leave it at that, come out with like a double cut crease with glitter. So we'll see. First I'm going to start off with my Morphe palette. You guys know I love this, which is the Morphe 350M. Oh, I was right. You guys know I love Morphe palette, apart from how it gets like really dirty, kind of annoying, but it's fine. So I'm just using this shade here with my favourite blending brush, which is the Morphe M514 brush. So we're just using a little bit of this, and then we're just putting that in the crease and giving it a wee blendy blend. I'm going to just go in with this colour here. I think it's like my most loved shade, like if you can see if you're dug into it. And I'm just using this MSQ brush. They're really affordable. Just packing this brown shade in the outer corner. I'm not doing anything too wild today. Just doing a little basic kind of warm brown smoky eye. So I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas and New Year. Can't believe that's it done for another year. Jesus Christ. Time goes by so quick. I don't know if it's just when you're older. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just blending this in the outer of my eye, just quite messily, just to get the pigment there. And then I'm just going back in with my first brush, just a blending brush, just kind of blend out the edges of this. I think I might add like a shimmer on the first half of the eye. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I'm just going back into the orange shade with the original brush just to blend it out a little bit more. And then I'm going to just keep packing that on, blending it, packing it on, blending it, you know, the drill. My hair's kind of getting in my way, so I'm going to put on the cat ears, you know, just to get it out of my face. And right now actually I'm going to moisturise just while I'm doing my eyes. Still using this. It's actually my third bottle I think. It's just a simple replenishing rich moisturiser. One of my favourite moisturiser. It goes on really nicely under makeup. As you guys know, my skin is really dry, especially in the winter. It's like so much more drier than the summer. So let's get this moisture. I'll probably look in greasy for like half this video, but it'll be worth it. It'll be worth it. What we're doing is just softening the edges, just so that the darkest part is in our outer corner, just like here, to give a little bit more definition. And if you feel like it's not blending a lot, what you can do is get a clean brush and blend, or you can go back with the original shade, the orange shade, and just continue to blend it out. And it will take a wee while. Your arms will be a little bit sore, but it'll be worth it. So now I'm going to go in with this Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. This one is in colour Rose Gold Retro. just like this. If you guys have watched me for a while, you know I love this. And I'm just using this little brush here. It's the e.l.f. concealer brush. And what I'm going to do is just kind of scrape it off the brush just like this. And just because it's a little bit more precise than actually using the applicator. And what I'm going to do, it's going to give the effect of cutting the crease, but you don't need to use the concealer and stuff like that. So what I'm doing is I'm just dragging it a bit above my crease. I put a wet pigment on and I open my eyes fully so that it transfers, and it'll transfer to about here, and then that's where you know where to put the glitter. These are beautiful though. They're just really nice. I got the 3-pack, that's my mains are like kind of minis. But they're really good. So I'm taking that to about 3/4 of my eye and just kind of packing it on just so you get the most pigment. And then what we're going to do is just fix the outer eye and then maybe the liner. And now that I have did the other eye, we're going to just go back in with the same brush that we used before, the smaller one, and with the same brown, pack this in the outer corner. So what I'm doing is just getting a clean brush, and then what I'm trying to do is the line between the glitter and the brown, I'm just trying to fade that in a little just so it's not really obvious. You can add more of the glitter or the brown, just so that it looks a little bit more blended. Like if you look at this eye, it's like a straight line, see, between the glitter and the brown, whereas here it's a little bit more blended. We're in the cinema tonight. My wife is probably going to be like, wow, you've made an effort. I'm like, at home. We're going to see the Mary Poppins. I think it's the second one, so I'm excited. And then if you feel like you've lost too much of the glitter, you can just go back in and add the excess on the brush. What I'm going to do is just get a cotton pad just to clean up my makeup like a little bit. Just because this glitter does kind of transfer a little bit, and nowhere near as much as like actual glitter pigments, but it does a little bit. And what you can do is just clean up the edge just like that. So for primer, I am going back to this baby, which you guys know is a good old favourite. It's the Mayebeline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Just because I have quite bad pores. So I'm just putting it on the sides of my nose, on my nose, a little bit on my forehead. Just kind of my problem areas, and then the kind of extra I'm just kind of putting that on the rest of my face. For a foundation, I'm going to just go in with this one here, the colourstay one. It's just the Revlon colourstay. It's the one for normal to dry skin. I do really like this foundation. It's been a wee while since I've used it. So we'll just dot that around our face, and today I'm actually going to use a foundation brush. Can't remember the last time I used a foundation brush on this channel, but I've been liking it lately. I'll still always go back to my beauty blender because I do love it, but you do get a little bit more coverage, I feel like, with the foundation brush. So where is it? Right here. So we're going to just blend this in. I do forget how high covered it is sometimes. Like as you guys can see, my skin is really red, but this is actually covering it really well. I think I might do a video organising, we'll see. I really like Shanxo's declutter videos. If you haven't watched them, honestly go watch them, they're really good. I'm just going in with the same concealer that I used for my eyes. I need to get a new one, I think it's almost running out. I just find the colours really quite good. Speaking of, if there's any foundation that you guys want me to try, then let me know. Now that I've set my face, I just used the Rcma powder. I'm actually half done, but I've had it for ages. I'm just do a little bit of contour, bronze, you know. And I'm using this still. So just a little bit on the temples, a little bit on the cheekbones, a little on the forehead, and then what I do is just get my brush, my powder brush, and just blend out all the edges. And then for blush, I just use the same brush. It's just the e.l.f. stipple brush. Stipple? I don't know if I said stipple or stipple. Just the e.l.f. stipple brush. And I love quite a bit of blush. Blend, blend, blend. Just get a little bit of colour, a little bit of life into it, you know. And then I stop talking with my hands. I feel like I'm like, oh my god, I need to show you this. It's really sad. My Mayebeline loumaniser. It's so sad. It fell, and this is what's left. I was going to do that thing where you pick it up and try and salvage it, but it was on the floor and stuff, and I was like, really, it was a really sad moment. But I didn't have too much left, so it's not too bad. Still a sad moment. Say a little prayer. That's the first thing I've smashed, actually. I think so. So we're just adding highlighter to everywhere that I usually do. So my cheekbones, tip of the nose and bridge of the nose, and a tiny bit on the cupid's bow. And I'm just using a little fan brush for this, which I never used to like, but recently I've been digging it. Now we'll go do the eyebrows. Right, I'm going to use my Anastasia dipbrow pomade in medium brown. And I'm going to use this brush here, which is the Primark angled brow brush. One of my friends, Stephanie, if you're watching, hey gal, she had the, what's it called? Is it Duraline? I think it's called Duraline, and it basically just all your kind of dry pomades and stuff. You add a little bit of that and it just spices it up, you know, makes it good, isn't it? So as you guys know, I don't do too much to my eyebrows. I just kind of fill them in a little bit. But I hate this baldy part here. So annoying. But yeah, basically just fill them in and then lightly go over the front. Do we spilly through? Don't like my brows too dramatic. Especially for this look, because it's not like a super dramatic look. And I just do the same to the other side. Now we're going back to eyes. That I've did my eyebrows. Remember, they're distantly related. Mine are probably like 10th cousins, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So again, just giving this a wee blend. I like the kind of blown out look, slightly winged look. I don't know if I should do eyeliner. I don't know. I think I might just do a little bit just across the eye, just to give it a little bit more definition. I'm just doing what I was doing before and just adding the tiniest bit of eyeshadow just to deepen it up a little bit. Doing the boring stuff, you know. Speaking of, actually, my eyeliner, my fave, my NYX black one. I don't know the name. Let's see if I can find it. Aha! I found it. This one here is the NYX matte liquid liner. I think this is almost done. Hopefully this lasts this tutorial. We'll see. So just not doing anything too fancy, just adding a little black line across the eye, and this will just make our eyelashes blend a little bit more. I always get tempted to do a wing, but you know, I think we're fine without one today. And do the other eye, which is my bad eye, which I'll probably mess up. It's fine. We should be able to fix it. Hopefully. Whew. Did this one way too thin. Oof. Ooh. Dropping everywhere. I don't know what eyelashes to wear tonight. Like how I'm silent when I'm doing this. It's like do mess up. Trains my paw and don't fuck it up. Do you know what that'll do now? I ain't a perfectionist. I mean, maybe it'd be good if I was, but I ain't, so I'm just gonna accept it. Is it really a sad YouTube video if I don't drop about 5 things? I don't think so. Right, eyelashes. The problem is I don't have any nail scissors. These ones here, I'll try and remember to link them down below, but they're going to be way too long for my eye because it's the smallest eye ever. Like, hey guys, hey. Really? Then I can find the scissors. Oh god, I really need to straighten my hair. Oh my god, look, a little curl. Not a curl, it's like a wee crimp. This is my natural hair actually. I just went for a shower and I blow dried it mostly. I do have a natural kink to it. I wish I had curly hair so bad. So bad. Right, I'm going to go look for scissors, so BRB. So I found scissors a little bit big, but they'll do the job. And I'm just using my dual glue. Why can I never say that? Dual glue. Now let's do the hardest part, putting in the eyelashes. Right guys, that's me done, so thanks for watching. Eyelashes will be the death of me, I'm telling you that. I don't know if these are too big. They're really quite dramatic, aren't they? I don't like them. Kind of wish this was interactive so you guys could go yes or no. There's just something that looks weird about them. I don't know. I'll just wing it as usual. Yeah. Do you ever get it when you sing a song and you just can't get it in your head? So you sing it for like 4 days straight, or is that just me? There's something crooked about this bit. I add a little bit of liner on the lower lash line just to kind of balance it out. I do a little bit in the lower line and then quickly just blend it out with I find my brush. Where is it? Right in front of me. Take a little bit of the brown that I used. Kind of smoke that out. Just blend it out a little bit more. I think a glossy lip today. Do you want me to add a little bit of highlighter to the brow bone? Get a small brush and then I'll do it to the inner corner as well. Let's find a little brush. Oh no, I just dropped it on my new dressing table. That's really sad. Damn it, why am I so clumsy? And a little bit of this in the inner corner. And when I say little, I mean a lot. Give it a wee 1% spray. So guys, this is done. Don't mind the crooked eyelash, it's fine, we'll just ignore that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!